These boats, with their experienced captains and crew, were a most valuable asset for the war effort. As war started, 10 of the packet's best vessels were requisitioned and brought into the conflict. They were fitted out and made ready, and their finest hour was to be at Dunkirk. By the end of May 1940, British troops had been driven back to the French coast by a force of 750,000 Germans. Hemmed in on the beaches around Dunkirk, the only solution was to evacuate. On June the 4th, a huge fleet of destroyers, ferries, fishing boats and even river cruisers set sail to rescue over 300,000 troops. The men were bombed and machine-gunned as they waded out to the ships, but the extraordinary courage of the crews meant that over 338,000 were brought back to Britain. 1 in 14 of those evacuated was on a Manx boat, and the first vessel to complete the round trip from England to Dunkirk was the Mona's Isle. There were many casualties, and 4 of the Manx boats were lost. The Mona's Queen was struck by an aerial mine outside Dunkirk and split in 2. She sank in 90 seconds. 20 of the Manx crew lost their lives. The Fenella came under massive aerial attack and was abandoned. 13 Manxmen died. The King Orry and the Tynwald were also lost during the war. The remarkable achievement during those days in June in the face of such overwhelming odds has since come to epitomise the British spirit of Dunkirk.